Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have yet another special web application for you. This one is called Webtri, and in a nutshell, it's an application that uses WordPress technology to create ultra fast and high converting funnels, professional business websites and membership sites in 5,000 different business niches, and you get this for just one low time price. And it's going live on the 28th of October 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. And it's from my friends Mbadiwe and Anirudh Bavra. And this one is a crazy one. At any time you decide to actually get this very product, that first link below in my description area will take you to my sales page, where you actually locate a button that is going to give you access to this very product that works with WordPress technology to create membership sites, create professional business websites, and of course high converting funnels for you. So it's this button will give you access to a copy of this by taking you to my WordPress account. If you stick with me, of course, we came from the very dashboard area of this application. We will go through the tabs here and then see how we can generate this. And of course, I will definitely play you the demo video of this product in action. If you stick with me, I will show you also my amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are crazy softwares and training courses that are still selling on Warrior Plus. And you can imagine what you have as incentives for this. So it's a great product, and at any time you decide, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and then use the bell icon for notifications so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I come up online with any review of any product that is going to definitely aim at helping you make money online. Now let's go into details with this very sales page. Mbadiwe said it's in the never seen before WordPress technology that creates ultra fast and high converting limitless funnels, professional business websites, and of course membership sites in over 5,000 real business niches for lifetime. And of course you have it for lifetime, and you pay a fraction of the original cost of this very instrument in order to be able to achieve that aspect of creating websites. You can actually get a membership site that you can create, or an agency where you create all these services for people online. You can have your gig on Fiverr. So for me, it's a business in a box, and it works with WordPress technology. That means it is somehow integrated with WordPress to actually create drag and drop websites for you, funnels, and the rest of them. So I am very impressed with this one. Now let us see some of the benefits. The first, to market next generation technology that helps new beginners create professional mind-blowing funnels, business sites, and membership sites in just 3 different clicks. And you can instantly create high converting page funnels, lead funnels, launch funnels, and webinar funnels, etc. And also you use world's most innovative drag and drop website builder to actually do something about this, to edit anything in few seconds, and you ensure effortless monetization globally with payment gateways integrations like PayPal and Stripe. You can smartly create mind-blowing mobile-friendly websites and landing pages and convert random visitors to happy customers. And you can, in one click, use an AI application that assists your page curation to create any page for any niche or audience of your choice. You can build your funnels, website, membership sites, and your own domain and servers to boost your branding. You can stop paying thousands of dollars monthly to Stone Age funnel and membership site builders on freelancers. You can do a lot with this, no third-party dependency on ever. You can always create everything from one central dashboard, which is exactly the dashboard I showed you before, and it is 100% easy to use and beginner friendly, and it is never seen before. I like it in the sense that normally WordPress is what we use to actually create websites and some of these funnels we're talking about. So it is integrated with AI technology, but works with WordPress technology to create these things on demand using different keywords of your choice on any niche of your choice. That's why I like this one. At any time you decide to get a copy of this, like I said before, this link will give you access. and you will be able to get exposed to the different capabilities you have with this by going through some of the testimonials and some of the things you need to know about this. This is what Team Jill Patrick had to say, and Samantha Johnson and the Coca. And then you have this one is from India, Narawani or whatever, and Tracy Sutherland, and you have Lopez and the rest of them. You can read for yourself so that we don't spend a lot of time there. I think in this case it has a lot of things to help you overcome, like the kind of money you spend per month on Wix. This is what you spend for a month on Shopify, which is good. Maybe standard membership. You have GoDaddy for 17 a month. You have 49 a month for Squarespace. ClickFunnels 147 a month. Some of them 197, and you have Calcabi for 319 per month. Imagine Systemio 97 a month, and you have lead pages for this amount. And these are some of the things that this application is going to do for you, which normally you outsource to people who perform this as such exorbitant recurring expenses on monthly basis. So those are the things you avoid in this one. And of course, I believe it's going to help anybody who is beginning to work online to create your website and even create a business agency where you make money as well, using this application to provide such services for people. So that's the pros that I have on this. And then of course we will try to see the rest of the review when you come here at your own convenience. But now let us actually abandon the sales page for you when you arrive, and see that we take a look at the very members area of this amazing application from Mbadiwe and Anirudh Bavra, that is going live on the 28th of October 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now let us take a look at the members area. This is the members area. Here you have the theme generator in case you want to generate a theme for your work or for your website or for a funnel or for membership site. All you need to do is to choose your niche here with this button, and then you choose your business and brand niche to create website. And of course that is very simple. What I will not do is to actually go into more details with this, because I like to have the demo video actually show you exactly how it's done. But we'll go through these tabs and look at what they do. This is the content generator in case you want to generate content for your website on any keyword of your choice. You'll be able to enter that keyword here, like what do I get for marketing? For example, let's see if you can generate anything. Okay. So this is the article it's generated. Actually, say marketing can refer to a variety of activities related to promoting a product or service. Depending on your budget and goals, you may get different types of services or products for your marketing efforts. Some possibilities include paid advertising, public relations, content marketing, email campaigns, web design, search engine optimization, and social media marketing. This is exactly the content it has just generated, which AI will definitely create in a way to make it beautiful with pictures and images for your website. Now you have the image generator on this one, which means you can use another keyword. Let's see if we can submit this to see if we can get a cat. Okay, AI generated image, no result found. Okay, so we leave that, and then here you have the 3D image generator, which you enter with a keyword here to prompt an image, and then of course the Stability AI will do the job, and then you submit. Okay, so now you have the video generator on this tab, and then of course it is going to open up to a video generator section where we will be able to take a look at the space where you get this. So this is exactly where you enter your keyword to generate any video of your choice. Here you have the SEO tag, and you have the membership here. Okay, so that's about what you have with the funnel, and of course with this dashboard of this very amazing product, Webtri. Now pricing for this amazing product, so that you see what it takes to get it for a one-time lifetime price, and you have it for $19, and it has the ability after the launch to go to up to $27. So if you are an early bird, you'll be able to buy it for $19, and it gives you these capabilities, all these things you'll be able to do. First, to market ensure effortless monetization, get over 5,000 high converting page templates in different services, charge users by providing high in demand services across the globe. So it goes on and on what it does. Now you have the premium edition as the upgrade number 1, which goes for $37. This one, you build 100% white label websites, funnels, membership sites with that Webtri badge. That means it has no watermark, and it has inbuilt graphics from Pixabay and another AI, and you have also unlock blog creation option, and you can unlock monetization with AdSense ads, and that will generate income for you for views and clicks. And you have the OTO number 2, which is the unlimited version. This one goes to help you create unlimited business websites, unlimited everything, unlimited funnels, create unlimited membership sites, and add option custom HTML. And with this you can add pixels, players, and the rest of them. You have also the OTO number 3, the Elite Edition, goes for $37, and with this you can run multi-site and subdomains, okay? And you can add cutting-edge autoresponder to collect your leads for your visitors, and you add 3D AI to your business websites using Stability Diffusion AI. And you have also the OTO number 4, which goes for $37 as well. And here you will be able to create done-for-you website on your selected niche of business, just to provide us your domain and your WordPress account, and they will do that. Okay, now you have the agency as the upgrade number 5. It goes for $97. This gives you the business agency to be able to have a gig on Fiverr where you can outlay these services and give it out to people at a cost. And imagine being upgraded to this level, and everything you have, you can be able to extend these services to others and make money recurring basis. You have also the number 6 OTO, which is the reseller. It goes for $97. And you have the white label, which is OTO number 7, as $197. And here you have the ability to rebrand entire tool, add your own branding and your own logo, and of course product name, and it will be definitely yours. Now let us see the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are crazy enough to give you all the reason to get a product like this. And you have number 1 as Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits using NFTs. And of course, NFTs are non-fungible tokens, which has to do with digital ads that you can exchange on blockchain. Now you have also the bonus number 2, which is Twittex, a Chrome extension application that diverts traffic from Twitter platform, which is now called X, to any offer or link of your choice. It could be a website that is created by this application Webtri for your audience. You have also number 3 as the Insurgency, which is a training course, beginner friendly, on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have also number 4 as Lazy Traffic Sniper, which gives you hacks on how you can have free buyer access online through different sources. You have also JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot application that is installed in your system with Chrome, and then of course this will definitely help you create 4-figure daily commissions, making sure that traffic is driven from these sources to any offer or link of your choice, where you could be affiliate link or anything. You have the lockdown formula, my favorite one. This is where I started to create income online with this very training, which teaches you how to start online as a newbie, as a beginner, and then be able to scale your business along the line. And now you have the number 7, which is my commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 tools and links that are going to help you create amazing properties online that will definitely drive traffic and sales to you. So these are all started bonuses that will definitely blow your mind if you happen to get this product using my link. Okay, so and that will definitely bring us towards the end of this review. I will encourage you not to forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notification. And I will be back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike of Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me is goodbye.